Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Changing the screen on your HP AIO 27CB can seem daunting, but with the right tools and steps, it can be accomplished smoothly. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and an anti-static wrist strap. The anti-static wrist strap is crucial to prevent any static damage to your components. Before we dive in, ensure that your device is powered off and unplugged. It's important to take safety precautions. Begin by removing the back cover of the AIO. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located on the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. If you're unsure about the number of screws, take a quick photo for reference. Once all screws are out, carefully use the plastic prying tool to gently detach the back cover from the frame. Work your way around the edges, taking care not to damage any clips. With the back cover removed, you'll see the internal components. It's a good idea to clean the interior lightly using compressed air to remove dust and debris. This not only ensures a clean working environment but can also improve the performance of your device. Next, locate the screen connectors. Depending on the model, there might be a few screws holding the screen in place. Carefully remove them using your Phillips screwdriver. Remember to keep track of all the screws and their locations. Once the screws are removed, gently disconnect the screen from the motherboard. If you find it challenging, don't force it. Instead, check for any hidden clips or connections that might need to be released first. Now, it's time to install the new screen. Align the connectors carefully, making sure they fit snugly. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. If you don't have the tools or feel unsure about the process, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help you at every step. After securing the new screen, reattach the back cover of the AIO. Press it firmly around the edges to ensure it clicks back into place. Replace the screws you took out earlier, securing the back cover to the frame. Finally, plug in your device and power it on. Check to see if the new screen is functioning correctly. If everything looks good, you're done. If you're not confident in your ability to complete this repair or simply prefer a hands-off approach, don't forget that we also provide pickup and delivery at your home. This way, you can avoid the hassle of calls and travel while getting your device repaired. Plus, we offer a quote before any repair work is done, so you know what to expect. In conclusion, changing the screen on your HP AIO 27CB is a manageable task with the right guidance and tools. Whether you choose to tackle this yourself or seek our professional help, you now have the knowledge to make an informed decision. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.